Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting off live connections so intruders lose remote control. Turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data now, then toggle airplane mode if necessary. Next, open settings and check device admin apps to spot anything unfamiliar. Revoke admin rights immediately. Uninstall suspicious apps that requested device admin. Do this first because it prevents ongoing access while you perform deeper cleaning, and it reduces the chance settings get changed back mid-procedure. Once live connections are severed, dive into permissions and services. Inspect accessibility and notification access for apps that can control the screen, and revoke any you don't recognize. Review VPN and always-on VPN settings and disconnect unknown entries. Use settings to view installed apps, filter by permissions, and uninstall side-loaded packages. If an app is device owner or managed profile, remove the profile or factory reset as required. These steps close covert channels and stop background services from restarting remote access. Finish by ensuring persistence is gone and hardening the device. If you still see signs of compromise, back up personal files and perform a factory reset. This reliably removes persistent rootkits or device owners. After reset, change passwords for Google and other linked accounts and enable two-step verification to prevent reauthorization. Reinstall apps only from trusted sources and enable Play Protect. If things go wrong, note one troubleshooting tip. Boot into safe mode to uninstall stubborn apps before resetting, then recheck permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.